doubt, feeling lost or restless. When your heart feels heavy, remember this beautiful truth. Peace of heart comes only through the remembrance of Allah. It's a gentle reminder that we hold the key to our own inner calm. Allah tells us in the Quran, "Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves." This is so empowering. It means change starts with us, with our own small, sincere efforts. Speaking of small efforts, even a tiny good deed, if done with pure intention, is incredibly valuable in the sight of Allah. So don't underestimate the power of a kind word or a simple act of charity. So, how do we start? Prioritize your prayers, make patience your greatest strength, and place your complete trust in Allah. When you do this, something amazing happens. Whoever trusts in Allah, Allah becomes sufficient for them. Have faith and watch as the paths begin to open before you. Thanks for watching.